are we heading for?
So, yeah.
Yeah, we want the country to wake up and to revive and to give the life to the country. The country is Kenya, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Your Honor, let the lawyers say what they want to say. This should be part of the healing process of the whole country.
Dr. Sakamino, I ask you,
yes.
We have given directions on time allocation.
Your hands are not tied with respect.
Okay, tell us, just tell us, in your view, how much time do you want us to allocate parties? What I'm saying to the we talk about time in civil matters and so. But we are dealing here with the issue of impeachment. Issue of impeachment of the deputy president. It's not a small matter at all. It's a matter that is touching the whole nation. It has paralyzed the nation. We have heard you, Dr. Kabino. Let Paul Minister be given as much time as he wants. Let the professor be given as much time as he wants. Let the Honorable Attorney General be given as much time as he wants. That is the healing process. And from this court, we shall all march forward with confidence. If I may quote Mutaje Mokinata, before and buried the Matako New. Let us forget about time. Where are we going?
My Lord,
where are we going with
Dr. Kamino?
With respect, will you speak to that? Kamino is talking. Will you sit down? I am talking.
Under the rules of this court, senior counsel has preference, speaks first before any other person except the Attorney General. So if you would please sit down. I, as senior counsel.
I will not sit down. We're not practicing law. You're still doing breastfeeding.
That is also. So, my Lord,
my Lord, what
I'm saying, finish what you're saying.
What I'm saying to you, my Lord, we need a healing process, and this court is going to provide that healing process. Let the lawyers say what they want to say. What are we hurrying for? Let us not have some people calling themselves professor or senior counsel, titles that don't mean anything at all when it comes to this.
I think they mean something, Dr. Kamina. They do mean something.
Something means something when it is you and you approve it. Yeah. My Lord, all that I'm saying to you, let people talk. Let people address you. Where are we going?
People will talk.
When the country is burning.
Dr. Kamila, you have made your point.
Yes, thank you very much.
You have made your point.
I have made the point.
Professor.
We have a Deputy Chief Justice who has been removed irregularly. Let us be given time to be able to address it.
My Lord, I think those of us who are representing substantive respondents, we all agree that you have given orders that we will comply with, including my learned senior, P.K. Moite, who I believe you have added some more time and he's happy with that. Maybe it would help if we informed Dr. Kamino that it is not the whole matter that is being heard in 10 minutes. It's a very small slice of an application on impound. That's all I wanted to clarify.
So, Dr. Kamino, I've heard what you said. We'll stick to the time allocation.
You've got the idea. GoDaddy has the domain to make it happen. You're a search away, so go ahead. Give your idea its own address. Find your domain at godaddy.com.
In view of that time allocation, and I thank senior counsel, the senior most going by the Kenya law reports before you. May I switch your lordship,
my name.
Dr. Kamino. My Lord, even the report of the East Africa law confirms that. My Lord, the point I need to make, and I beseech you, because of the serious time that we had to prepare this application, I could only prepare for certain aspects of this application. My colleagues, Professor Ogada, and my colleagues, Ndegwa and Jiro, within the 20 minutes that you have allocated, I will say my piece. It is insufficient, but I'll try. Please give Ms. Professor Ogada and Mr. Ndegwa and Jiro 10 minutes each, and at the end, when we hear what the respondents are saying, you kindly give me a hint, indicate 20 minutes to do it. That will enable us to be able to proceed without anybody feeling we want to be here forever. We don't actually want to be here forever. We want to deal with the business of the day. So that does not change any time allocations by more than 30 minutes. So I urge you are not.
So who's starting?
I'm starting.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So that I do 20 or gather 10, 20, because he has to deal with some authorities. I didn't get enough time. I started with 10. Then I'll do the rejoinder. But the application that is before you is dated today. It is supported by the affidavit sworn by. It is supported by the affidavit sworn by Honorable David Munyi Madenge. And for the record, all lawyers from Matiba, Ogada, Ndegwa, and myself, the record indicates we act for everybody without drawing any distinctions, because I believe there will be no time for that. So we act for all the respondents, all the petitioners, for purposes of E015. My Lord, before going on to argue this application, there is a small point that I wish to make regarding the issue of why are we having a situation where to everybody watching we seem to be following an unusual path. My Lord, there is one substantive issue of procedure that we need to point out. The petitioners are before you on account principally of the violations of the Bill of Rights. The petitioners are also here on account of the relevant provisions of impeachment. The petitioners are before you, my lords, on account of the fact that the business that the framers of the Constitution ordered, one, for appointment of a nominee to take place within 14 days, and for Parliament to do it within 60 days, somehow happened within 4 hours. My Lord, those are the principal reasons why we are here. And what is the immediate context? The immediate context, my lords, and why we are here is that when petitions are filed, the duty of this court under Articles 19 all the way to 25 is to ensure that it decides whether or not the violations as alleged by the petitioners has taken place. My lord, the way in which the law, and this is express positive law, requires that to be done is by way of a judgment. By way of a judgment is the only way that the people of Kenya would be satisfied. Have these rights been violated or not? In order to ensure that that judgment, which is the express constitutional mandate, is given in circumstances that are not academic, Article 23 of the Constitution provides that conservatory orders may be given. When this matter went before your brother judges, probably a sister also, in their wisdom, they directed this matter as such enormity that we need to preserve the subject matter. That subject matter, my lord, the preservation of it